Guide to Affiliate Marketing, How to Make Money Online. Are you interested in making money online? If so, affiliate marketing could be the perfect opportunity for you. In this video, we cover everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, including how it works, how to get started, and how to maximize your earnings. We also share tips and strategies from experts in the field so you can start making money today. I divided it into 5 steps. Step 1, choose a niche. Step 2, select a platform. Step 3, choose the products you want to promote. Step 4, create high-quality content. Step 5, maximize your earnings. In this section, I will cover the first 2. Hello and welcome to our ultimate guide to affiliate marketing. If you're looking for a way to make money online, affiliate marketing can be a great option. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about affiliate marketing, from how it works to how to get started. If you want to watch such content, like, share and subscribe. Let's start. First, let's define affiliate marketing. According to this, affiliate marketing is a process in which publishers earn a commission by promoting another retailer's or advertiser's product or service using an affiliate link. The affiliate partner gets paid when they have given the retailer or advertiser a specific result. Usually the result is a sale. So, how do you get started with affiliate marketing? Here are the steps you should follow. Step 1, choose a niche. When we talk about choosing a niche in affiliate marketing, we mean selecting a specific topic or area of interest that you want to focus on. This could be anything from health and fitness to technology and gadgets. By choosing a niche, you'll be able to target your audience more effectively and choose products that are relevant to their interests. For example, if you have a website or blog about cooking, you might choose to promote affiliate products related to cooking utensils, cookbooks, or specialty ingredients. When choosing a niche, it's important to consider your own interests and expertise. You'll be creating content and promoting products related to this topic, so you'll want to choose something that you're passionate about and knowledgeable about. Additionally, it's important to research your chosen niche to ensure that there is a market for it. You'll want to make sure that there are affiliate products available that are relevant to your niche, and that there is an audience who is interested in this topic. Overall, choosing a niche is an important first step in affiliate marketing, as it will help you target your audience and choose relevant products to promote. Step 2, select a platform. Selecting a platform means choosing a place where you will promote your affiliate products. This could be a website, a blog, a social media platform, or any other online platform where you can reach your target audience. If you choose to create a website or blog, you'll need to choose a domain name, hosting, and a website builder. Platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Squarespace are popular choices for building websites or blogs. On the other hand, if you choose a social media platform, you'll need to select the one that is most popular with your target audience. For instance, if you want to promote products to a young audience, then platforms like Instagram or TikTok may be the best choices. If your target audience is professionals, then LinkedIn may be a better option. The key to selecting the right platform is to know your target audience and where they spend most of their time online. By selecting the right platform, you'll be able to reach your target audience more effectively and promote your affiliate products more efficiently. That's about it for the first 2 parts. I hope you enjoyed the video. What are your thoughts? Please share them in the comments section and know that I always read and respond to all comments. If you liked the video, give it a like, share and subscribe for more videos like this, and we'll see you in the next part, where we'll cover the last 3 steps. Have a nice day and good luck.